The error code P164E-00 in a Skoda or Volkswagen vehicle means that the oil pressure regulation valve is not doing the job. This valve is used to switch between normal and high oil pressure in the engine depending on the driving conditions, and it's usually stuck in high pressure. Fortunately, it's safe for the engine since high oil pressure will not hurt, but it's not very good for the oil pumps. So anyway, the regulator will need to be replaced sooner or later. This problem is extremely common with EA211 generation engines, mainly 1.4 and 1.8 ASI, but not limited to them. The price of the OEM valve is 60 to 100 euros or pounds, depending on the seller you choose. Now, you may have heard that it's easy to replace these valves, and technically yes, it's just the Torx bolt, and you take the old valve out, then install the new one and tighten that bolt. But there are two major problems. First of all, the valve is located near the oil pan behind the axle, and it's not that easy to get to it without a car lift. Secondly, there are issues when this valve just falls apart if it's not taken out very carefully. If this happens, you will require a lot of professional work to get the parts of the valve out and will eventually pay much more than you would pay for professional replacement. The actual labor hours for this work is 15-20 minutes, but you will most likely be charged for an hour of work.